Hey guys, Andrew from MarineMax Boston here. Today we're going to be taking a walkthrough on our brand new 2022 220 Sailfish. This boat is on the ground and ready to be sold. Starting in the aft, we have our 200 horsepower Mercury. It comes in a white option as well. We decided to outfit this one with black. Also back here, we have a big live well, rod holders, ski tow for water sports. It's nice because it just gets right out of the way. And we have our shower back here as well. Working our way forward, we have a nice captain seat and companion seat with flip-up bolsters. Just give you another option on how to drive the boat. This boat's actually equipped with a Garmin screen. Very nice chart plot, fish finder, GPS. Get all your switches here, fusion radio, and a Mercury vessel view. This boat is also equipped with a Garmin VHF, so it has all the bells and whistles. Working our way forward, we have a nice spacious head underneath the helm. And up to the front, the cushions aren't laid out yet, but there's cushions that go up here with the backrest. Very nice boat for 22 feet. This boat's very accommodating, can really get you anywhere you need to be. If you have any more questions, give me a call. My name's Andrew. My phone number is 978-879-3721. Thanks.